How to lock your Facebook profile first. Open the Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Next, scroll down until you find followers and public content and select it. Here, you'll see several settings that determine who can see your content. I recommend changing as many options as possible to friends or only me to maximize your privacy. Now go back and tap on profile and tagging. Just like before, adjust the settings to friends or only me, and make sure to disable the option that allows anyone to mention you. Once that's done, return to the main settings page and look for profile locking at the top. If you see it, tap on it to enable profile locking. However, keep in mind that this feature is not available in all countries, only in select regions. Even if profile locking isn't an option for you, following the previous steps will still make your profile much more private. And that's it. I hope this helped. If it did, consider subscribing. It really supports the channel.